Hey, so I want to share something really cool that I built. So the new OpenAI function calling model that's come out, it's called GPT-4 something. It has really good structured outputs, and basically I wanted to automate like the ability to generate fully novel model neural net designs. So creating an entirely new neural net designs takes a very long time. You need to know pytorch. But what I built here is essentially a fully automated system of generating new novel algorithmic neural network designs so that you can, you could do it in a small subfield like attention, or you could just do any type of model architecture. So here's how it works. We have a code executor here. We're importing some stuff. We have the model spec, which is the name of the algorithm, the mathematical formulation or theory, and then the code. So here we're going to initialize the model. We're saying you're an expert model engineer like Lucid Rain to write world-class PhD level code for deep learning models. The purpose is to create a deep learning model for a research paper, and I can share that code, the prompts later. So this function calling model is going to return this schema. So it's going to return a dictionary of those three things. Here we're putting some settings: 3000 max tokens, high temperature for creativity, and then we get over here we get into the nitty gritty stuff. So here we have a function that is going to run the model. It's going to get the dictionary, then we're going to parse the dictionary for the name. We're going to log that. Then we're going to take the code. We're going to clean the code because it's not going to come out nicely. And then we're going to create a new file with the code. And pretty soon we'll be able to auto-execute it and see if it actually works. Now, from the 100 models already that I've generated, it seems to work pretty well. So I'll run this for you right now. So what's going to happen is 50 models are going to be created. So just switch that to name and let's run it. Let's make this a little bit bigger. Now we're going to run this, and essentially this function calling model is going to create 50 different models, entirely new neural networks from scratch. Here we see some of the models being born. Multi-dimensional hyper symmetric embedding network, dynamic contextual attention, waveform attention, tensor splicing network, multi-dimensional harmonic network, and a couple of other neural networks. So localized gradient attention network, and then here we can see the code for those models. Let's go to this one, and let's try running this code. So this is the code I just generated. Let's try running that. Boom, it works. I'm actually surprised, like, if we go to most of these, they'll all work. Like, the code is actually pretty good. Attention augmented residual transformation. Let's try it. Boom. Like, this code quality is absurd. But I think that's what happens if you have a good theory, because here we're saying mathematical formulation, mathematical theoretical formulation of the new model. So if we do this, if we give the theory, then the agent is going to be able to understand the theory behind the model. So yeah, this is like fully automated AI research at scale. Like, I just generated 150 different new neural nets. She would say this one doesn't have an example. Let's try this one. I've yet to find one that doesn't work. You see that the code is functional. Okay. So here, let's find another one that doesn't have an example. Okay, this one does. This is the harmonic embedding one. Okay, This one has, okay. This one has an error. We'll just, let's find another one. Spectral dilation layer. Okay, this one has an error too. See, what I'm gonna do for the errors part, I'm gonna add a parse. So I'm gonna parse the output. Then if there is an error, if there's an error in this output string, then I'm just gonna run it back and have the agent run it again. So then we could kind of mitigate those issues. But now we've created over 150 new neural network architectures. That's utterly insane. People that say agents suck, or like agents don't do anything good, just because they don't know how to prompt. They don't know how to actually orchestrate these agents. But if you do it correctly, like you can make unbelievable amounts of progress. Like creating 150 new neural networks in a day. Pretty soon, these AIs are going to be creating tens of thousands of neural nets every day. Like essentially like reproducing and evolving autonomously outside the need of human intervention. But yeah, that's something cool I built today, I guess. I was just like really tired. And I've been kind of tired these past couple of weeks because I got sick. So I've been like trying to figure out a way to automate my work. How can I leverage AI to do my work for me in the case of me being absent from my work? So yeah, yeah. Hope you like it. Subscribe, hit the like button, and see you soon. Appreciate it.